If you want to change the color of an object in Canva, whether it's a shape, an icon, or even text, you're in the right place. In this quick but detailed guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step, so you can customize your design fast and make it look more polished and professional. This is one of those simple Canva tricks that can save you a lot of time once you know where to click. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Canva and open the design you want to edit. You can start from the homepage, open a recent project, or search for a file in your folders. Once your design is open, look for the object you want to change. This could be a shape, an icon, an illustration element, or text. Click directly on that object so Canva knows exactly what you want to edit. When the object is selected, look at the top toolbar. You should see a color box or color swatch appear in the top bar. That color box controls the color of the selected object. Click on it and Canva will open the color picker. From here, you can choose a completely new color from the suggested palette, or you can enter a hex code if you already have a specific brand color in mind. If you're matching a logo, a website, or a brand kit, using a hex code is the fastest way to get exact color consistency. Once you select the color, Canva will instantly apply it to the object on your canvas. If the object has more than one color layer, you may see multiple color boxes. In that case, just click each color layer one by one and choose the colors you want for each part. This is especially useful for layered icons, illustrations, or graphics that have separate sections you can customize individually. If you don't see the color option right away, make sure the object is actually selected. Sometimes people click the page instead of the element, and then the color tools won't show up. Also, keep in mind that not every object in Canva can be recolored. Some photos and flat images won't have editable color layers, but most shapes, icons, and text elements will. For text, the process is almost the same. Click the text box, then choose the text core from the top bar and select your new color or paste in your hex code. If you want to keep your design looking clean and consistent, try using the same color palette throughout the project. You can also duplicate the object first and test different colors before committing to the final version. That way, you can compare styles side by side and see what looks best. Once you're happy with the new color, you're done. It's that easy to change objects color in Canva. Whether you're designing thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, or logos, this little skill can make a big difference in the final look of your work. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Canva tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.